Hi everyone, I am on the website of shadcn, and shadcn is one of the most popular UI frameworks today. And the other website I am on is Google apparently, but also our shadcn UI Figma library website. And what this kit is that we had a community kit that got quite popular with almost 50,000 people duplicated it. And then we transformed it into a pro kit. So over the last few months, we have been shipping different features, such as the pro blocks in React. But if you go down here on the page, you can also see that we updated the kit with the Luma and Ria styles. We have shipped the CSS export plugin. We have shipped a huge consistency update, then making the kit stable. And what we're showing off today is another plugin, which is we call shadcn UI Create. So let me go to Figma, and I'm going to a copy of the kit here, and I will demonstrate the plugin. So I'm gonna run the local version of our shadcn UI Create plugin. But when you see this video, all of this will be live. So this plugin only works inside of our kit. It will work in the upcoming community file update as well, but more on that later. So if you open shadcn UI Create, you are presented with this preset tab. And what the preset does is that if you go into the Create on shadcn, you can basically change the style. That is actually in our kit decided by the base kit that you chose. So that part, style, the one above the line here, that's decided like by which kit you decide to download. So we're gonna have the 8 styles. We currently have 4 styles. We have 4 more in progress to release soon. And then you would basically choose your base style from Vega, Nova, Maya, etc. But once you're past the base style, you would choose your base color. For example, you would choose olive, which I like. You would change the theme, for example, to emerald. And this would affect the button colors. You would maybe change the chart color. So I will change the chart color also to emerald, actually. And then the fonts. So I'm going to change the font to Fig Tree. And I'm going to change the body font to Roboto. So I have my style here set up. And I have this preset, right? This dash preset. So I'm going to copy the preset. I'm going to go to Figma. And I'm going to paste this preset here. And if I click apply, you will see that the kit will get styled with all of the options that we just chose. So if you go, for example, to the Pro blocks, and you will check out what the Pro blocks will look like, they will have the settings that you've just chosen. So the fonts are Fig Tree and Roboto, and the charts are emerald, the buttons are also emerald, and the gray values are olive. So this is a huge update for us, but there's a remaining part, which is customizing the icons, right? Here in the Safari, you can basically also change the icon sets. So you can change Lucite into tabular icons. And you don't see what's happening on this page, but if you go to the second page here, you can see a bit more clearly that if I change the icons around, the style changes, right? So let's do the same in our kit. And this is actually a second step where you would go to the icons page and you would select the icons you want to change. So let's select, for example, this grid of icons, and let's run the plugin again. And here we will click the icons tab, and we're going to change from Lucite, for example, to phosphor. That would be a good default, and changing the weight to regular. So if I click swap here, what it's going to do is that it's going to swap the internal vectors. So you see here, there's like a style change going on, but I basically changed all the icons on the spot. So no weird combinations, no weird variables in the system, just the plugin changing the data. So this basically trickles down the file, and all your icons are changed for you. This is it. This is the shadcn UI Create plugin. It's already live on the Figma community. It's quite new, so if you have any feedback, please click the feedback wanted button, and then you can get in touch with us. Happy to give support or answer any questions about our shadcn kit.